Today we're going to start painting in our shapes using the secondary colors. So once again you will be given the primary colors and it is your job to mix and then paint in very carefully between your lines with the secondary colors. Someplace on your painting you should have a shape that is green, a shape that is orange, and a shape that is purple. So I'm going to start by making some green, and I'm going to scoop a couple scoops of yellow out. I did about 3. Then I need to make sure I clean out my brush, which is what I'm doing right now, tapping it at the bottom, separating those bristles to make sure that they are clean. And then you take your paper towel and you dry your brush. And then I can take some blue and mix that. I'm just going to do 1 scoop with all that yellow, and I'm going to mix it in to make it green. Now once I have my color made, it's important to decide on what shape I'm going to paint. I'm going to paint this green in this shape right here. When you start, you want to be very careful on your edges. I'm putting my brush down and I'm pulling it across. It's important to change how you are looking at your brush so that you can see the edge of the line that you're trying to stay within. You go carefully around the edge. And I just slowly go around the edges. If your line starts to get fuzzy, that means you need to get more paint, but I managed to get all the way around. Now I can go faster on the inside. To fill in that space. Now I have some more green, so I can paint another space, but I don't want to paint a space that is right next to the green that I just painted. So I might want to turn my paper and find a new space. Maybe I'll do this edge space. Again, dipping my brush, carefully going around the edges. When these are finished and I'm grading them, I'm going to be looking at how you did on your edges. Did you pay attention to those lines, or did you just kind of rush over them and get kind of messy? And it's a good idea to try to spread out your colors. So I don't want to have all my green in this area. I'm going to want to try and get some green over on this other side as well. So I'm going to paint a few more spaces with my green, and then I'll go to the next color.